channel, and today I'll be showing you how I cook my rice and peas, Jamaican style, authentic rice and peas, and I'll be using real coconut. So I won't be using the coconut powder, any coconut liquid in the can or anything like that. I'll be using, as I said, coconut. And I have right here a medium-sized coconut, and I'm going to just show you guys how I prepare my coconut to get the juice and everything. And I'll be showing you guys, as I said, from scratch. So from the juice to the pot, adding the rice, adding the season, everything. So first I just start by just cutting my coconut, and yeah, but not the time for getting a cutting board today. You know, Jamaican style, we just hold it in our hands, use a knife and just cut it. So just, and you don't have any precise size for them or anything, you just want to just cut them in small pieces so you can put them in the blender, add the water to get the milk. And I'm going to show you guys my little trick that I use to get most of my milk out of my coconut. So if you'll be watching this video from start to finish, you will get that little secret. If you just skipping past the video, sorry, you're not gonna. So as I said, no specific size or anything, just cut them in a whatever small sizes you want, as long as it's small and can hold in the blender. That's all we want right here, guys. Real Jamaican yard style, you run a boat, you just a freestyle. So I'm almost finished cutting my coconuts, and then I'll be putting them in the blender. So guys, what are you cooking today? And please go ahead and comment and tell me what dishes you would like to see me prepare for you guys, because you know a girl can cook everything. Yeah, I know those pretty face alone, I can cook everything. So just tell me what you want to see me cook for you, and tell me what I cook today, and tell me which recipe you guys tried and was it a success. Come on, let's keep this thing interactive, as I always say, keep it interactive, make we chat. So guys, I'm finished cutting my coconut, so I'm going to put it in the blender now, and I have my blender right here. Just rest this right here. And I think I'll just be blending once. I won't be doing it in parts. I'll just be doing one blending because this coconut isn't really a lot. So I'm going to get some water in this, guys, and I'll come back. Of course, so my blender is on high speed, and I'm going to press grate, the grate option. Just have a little look. Let me get myself a spoon. So guys, just testing to see. Okay, so this can go a little longer, and I'm going to change my setting from grate, and I'm going to put it on puree. Give this a quick check, and guys, this is ready to go. See, this was like under 3 minutes. So I'm going to show you my secret weapon. So guys, this is my secret weapon, how I get all of my coconut juice, or majority of my coconut juice. Because you know, when you put it in the strainer, it's not easy to maneuver then and get everything out, but I'm going to show you this little bag. So guys, what I do is I get my bag and I just put it in my dish or my bowl, and I go ahead and add my blended coconut to it. And this way it is easier, so you can actually squeeze, you can actually hold the bag and squeeze and get majority of the juice out. You couldn't do this with a blender because you would have to keep in mind you don't want to place too much pressure on the strainer because you don't want to break the strainer. But when you have these little handy bags, you can just get everything out. You squeeze out everything out of it. You see, everything may squeeze out. Normally some people, you know, they go and they squeeze this and then they would blend it again, but I'm not doing that. I want my coconut juice to be thick. I don't want to dilute it too much. So finish with that and you just repeat the process. And guys, when I tell you that this bag is a godsend, best thing since sliced bread, people. And I ordered this bag from Amazon and it comes in a pack with 100 and it's very reasonable, guys. So you see the link below in the description box. You can go ahead and click on it to purchase these bags. And I don't only use these bags for, you know, coconut. I use them for when I'm making like my carrot juice. I also use it for when I'm doing ackee and saltfish to, you know, separate my ackee so I can easily find them. I can just add the ackee in this bag, put it in the pot. When it's boiled, I just take it out. So simple, so easy, guys. And they're disposable. You can use them once and throw them away if you want. But I normally use them over depending on the condition that they're in. But they're quite durable. See? It's still intact. Everything is perfect. So guys, this is my coconut milk. And I'm just going to, you know, just use a strainer to just see if there's any coconut, what do you call that thing now? Coconut pulp or anything inside. And then I'll come back and show you guys how I'm going to put this in my rice and peas. So stay tuned for that. So just a quick look. See that? It's looking thick, nice, authentic coconut for going on authentic Jamaican rice and peas. Guys, awfully nice. So guys, my peas, red peas, kidney beans, whatever you want to call it, I finished boiling it. And now I'm going to season my pot with my thyme, my green onion, my green pepper, my garlic, butter, and I'm going to add my coconut milk in there. So come over and take a closer look. So I have all my ingredients right here, as I said before, my seasoning. So I'll go and I add them in the pot. I crushed my green onions and my garlic. That's how I always do it. And now I'm going to add my coconut juice, and this is about 2 1/4 cups. So in with my coconut juice, and you see how much coconut juice is going to be thick, just the way I want it. Real authentic Jamaican rice and peas, as I said. And I've already added my salt. You can add however much salt you want, it's to your preference. And I'm going in with my butter. And I'm just adding a little bit of butter in my pot because you know the coconut already has oil inside of it. So I'm just going to let this come to a boil for about a minute or so, and then I'll add my rice. I'll be cooking 2 cups of parboiled rice because that's the rice that I like to use when I'm doing my rice and peas. Because if you don't know, I love shelly rice and peas. I like my rice and peas firm. I like my rice firm. I don't want the soggy, salty rice. I like the firm rice, and it's the reason why I'm using parboiled rice. So give me a second and you guys can come and see the updates in a few. Look at my rice and peas. Don't know why Omar showing you the meat, but our focus is on the rice and peas. Add the rice, and as I said, 2 cups of parboiled rice, and I'm just going to add it in my pot. You just use your hand and make sure so you get all of your rice. Cause you know me not like waste nothing. And you just give that a stir so you know the rice and the peas, everything is all together. And that's basically it for now, guys. You just, you know, cover your pot and allow that to steam. Allow your rice to cook, and I'll show you guys the finished product when I'm finished. I'll show you a real authentic Jamaican rice and peas. If you do it this time, this way all the time, and now go feel. So, you soon see it. So, come and check out my rice and peas, guys. It is looking so delicious, so shelly. I don't know, my rice is just breaking apart, but nevertheless, I like it shelly, and it is exactly how I like it. Shelly. Has a lot of coconut milk. Omar ate his food and it was like, baby, food shot. Yeah, I have a little salad over this though. I have my wine, because you know, you see me with my wine, I'm feeling all bougie. Yeah. So I have my wine over there, and I am going to pair this now with some curried tripe and bean, and I'm just going to go ahead and get me some. So I'm just going to move it a little closer because I don't want to mess up my rice, although it is going to get messy nevertheless, because you know, may I go eat it, of course, it's expected. So guys, see, this is looking so delicious. I don't want too much of the skin. I prefer the tripe and the beans, of course. So that should be enough for me, and I'm just going to bite in for you guys. Guys, you can taste the coconut. Perfect. Jamaican style, authentic rice and peas. This. No artificial about this. So guys, for all who didn't know, yesterday was Jamaica's Emancipation Day. We put some chicken and chicken back on the grill. So jerk chicken and jerk chicken back, along with some pork, you know, corn, and we just stew and eggs. Oh, and I made pizza, and I also made rolls. So guys, everything yesterday was just delicious. It was simple, family style, just celebrating Jamaica. Although I didn't want to celebrate Jamaica because that law that they're passing the court about students not being allowed in school with dreadlocks. I mean, come on, we're Jamaican. I mean, most Jamaicans, and I'm not going to say most because I haven't done a survey, but a lot of Jamaicans, you see, here and also abroad, they're sporting dreadlocks. I mean, come on. You have people with dreadlocks who are in large companies, in parliament, own self have dreadlocks. So I mean, why are you guys trying to stifle the children? I mean, why are you guys acting like we're not independent? We are Jamaican and we're independent from like what? 1962, yes. So I mean, we're supposed to kind of want to think we're Jamaican, and that's what really attracts tourism to Jamaica. A part of what attracts tourism to Jamaica. We have our reggae and stuff, yes, but I mean Bob Marley and whatever really put Jamaica far away, and Bob Marley did have him dreadlocks. So come on guys, don't stifle the youths. So guys, if you're still here with me though, comment and tell me what you think about that ruling in the court. And also comment and tell me what you did again for Emancipation Day. So guys, remember to like, subscribe and share, comment and watch the entire video, because if you don't watch it, we don't know the secret. I'm putting the show you how to get all of the coconut juice in the rice and peas. Until next time, what would love is. So guys, it's Jamaica's Emancipation Day and we're here and we're just at home and we're just going to light the grill and get this on the road. So right here, you know, we have chicken and jerk chicken back. We have the pork on the grill. I'm soon showing you that. I'm going to do the pizza and I'm going to do the hot dog bread. So just take a look at all this deliciousness. Hey guys, so I finished kneading my flour for this is the flour for my hot dog rolls, hot dog buns, and this is my flour for my pizza, and I'll be making 2 pizza today. So when I've placed them in a warm corner covered, I'll show you guys the results after this. So one more quick look. Hot dog bread, hot dog roll, and my pizza. So I'll show you guys that update. It is Jamaica's Emancipation Day and this is how I'm doing it today. I'm kicking it back at home with my family, eating and drinking. So guys, stay tuned. Yeah guys, kicking off the Jamaican way. So you see our chicken is on the grill, chicken back, and we have pork over there. I'm going to get my corn, my sweet corn on the fire, and then later we'll put some hot dog sausage on. This is Chef Omar, by the way. Today I'm not the one doing all of this. This is Chef Omar. So guys, it's about to go down in this kitchen right here and the pizza is ready. And I have my jerk chicken and jerk pork right here. Yes, I just mix them together because everybody in my house will eat pork. So I mix them and I have 2 corns. Yes, I know it's not a lot, but yeah. And my pizza. And then my rolls are in the oven and I'll show you that update when I'm finished. So I'm going to get started on the pizza because I don't want it to get cold. So guys, my rolls are out of the oven and I'm just going to be buttering them. Let it stay soft and moist. Just add a little butter. Well, they didn't turn exactly like how I wanted them to. They're not really looking like hot dog buns per se, but they're still homemade and they are juicy. They are just fantastic. They're warm, moist, and guys, you will just feel better knowing that, you know, you made these yourselves. So there is no con right here. This is only pro. Bake your own, know what is going into your body. Cook your own, also know what's going into your body. And I like doing stuff, you know, and seeing the outcome, seeing the result. You know, when you attempt something, you don't know what really to expect, but when you see it turns out so lovely, you're just happy. And I'm happy, not the first time doing this, but I'm happy nevertheless. So guys, I'm going to be using my rolls to eat some jerk chicken and also put in frankfurter inside of them. So guys, I just want to show you how juicy and tender one is. So I will. Guys, just look at this. Look at this. Pure goodness. Soft. Homemade.